In this video, I'm going to reveal everything that I've learned from uploading for one full month on a brand new YouTube channel. I'm going to talk about what has worked, what hasn't worked, and how you can see success faster. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online. Now, this is a part of a 52-week series where I show you how to go from 0 to 10K per month with a brand new YouTube channel. Now, this video is basically part of a video that I've already completed for my Discord. I do have a private Discord that shows people behind the scenes of this brand new YouTube channel. You're going to see the channel name, you're going to see the uploads, you're going to see everything. Now, the Discord is a paid Discord. It's $9.99 per month. I am not using the paid Discord to prove that I can make money with this YouTube channel. It's basically designed to keep the riffraff out. What I'm doing is I'm actually going to give all that money away back to the people that are within the Discord after the 52 weeks as a way of saying thank you, and they can actually make more money than what they paid in. So let's get right into it. Everything that I've learned, a few things that I've learned is YouTube Shorts are incredibly powerful, obviously. Without YouTube Shorts, I would have maybe 1 or 2 subscribers. But what I've noticed is that YouTube Shorts is a real main driver for my content. It is driving other long form content and short form content. And what I'm doing is basically just taking pieces of my long form videos from this same account and I'm uploading them. People seem to really resonate with them. The other weird thing with YouTube Shorts is the videos get a lot of downvotes. So what happens is these YouTube Shorts are just getting thrown in front of anybody and everybody at this point. And people that have no interest in this niche or in this space are downvoting, even if it's a good video. Okay. Some of these videos have over 1,100 views. They have 9 likes and 3 dislikes for a pretty decent video. And so while YouTube Shorts are very powerful and it's going to be a real big driver for your brand new YouTube video, don't get discouraged by the number of downvotes. The downvotes don't matter. Just keep uploading. Another thing that I've realized is that a lot of people will tell you, a lot of YouTube experts will tell you, the first 24 hours are really important. There are a couple videos that I've noticed have gotten a ton of traction on day 2. Okay, so after the first day of not getting any views at all, or maybe 5 views, I've noticed that a lot of these videos are getting day 2, day 3 traction. In fact, one of my long form videos that has 200, 300 views saw most of its traction on day 2, 3, and 4. So what a lot of people are telling you is outdated, and it's going off of things that happened or were relevant in the past. And part of the reason why I've created this brand new account is so that we can talk about what's working currently. Okay, a lot of the experts in YouTube and I guess TikTok as well are talking about things that worked 2, 3, 4, 5 years ago. 2 years ago, the first 24 hours was really important. But now, because YouTube has a very good idea of who's going to be interested in this content, they will find people on day 2 and 3 and 4 and try and get that video to them. Okay. One very important thing is your audience size doesn't matter. I only have 17 subscribers on this channel. However, like I said, some of my videos, I have a long form video that has over 200, 300 views. A lot of my YouTube Shorts, which I upload every single day, a number of them have 1,000+ views. So don't be discouraged. If you are just getting started and you feel like you're not getting any views and you're getting frustrated, we were all in that spot at one point, but it's going to be important to just keep uploading. Okay. Another thing that I noticed, and this is going to be pretty obvious, is the thumbnail is really important. You have to make your thumbnail very similar to the other thumbnails that are within the space. Okay. You don't want to copy the exact same thumbnail, but what I noticed is thumbnails that work really well are thumbnails that are very similar to the thumbnails that are already in the space. Another misconception that people are telling you, the YouTube experts are telling you, is that you have to show your face in your videos and in your thumbnails. And the thumbnail that I did that in actually performed worse than all of my other long form content. So make sure that you spend some time looking at the other thumbnails that are already in your space, and you want to create thumbnails that are very similar to that. Now, I'm not telling you to copy other people's thumbnails, but just know that it's going to help with the view duration. Another thing that I noticed is watch time if you can get 30-40% watch time or better, your videos are going to do fairly well. Another tip that I have for you is try and show up on the home feed. Okay. Don't try and go for search. When I tried for search, I didn't get very good views. I didn't have very high views. However, when I created videos with the showing up in recommendations in mind, those videos actually did very well. And there's a very big contrast between the videos that show up recommended, those get a lot of views, and the ones that don't, those don't get as many views. And that's evident in the content. So again, keep posting. It may not feel like it's working in the very beginning, and that's okay. But you have to keep posting so that one of those are going to hit. And when one of those hit, try and figure out why that worked well and keep replicating that thing, okay? Again, one of the things that I've learned is, and this is true for literally anything, the 80-20 rule. 20% of your efforts are going to produce or yield 80% of the results. And so for you to get to that 80-20 faster, you want to make sure that you keep uploading videos. And I've actually, inside my paid Discord group, I've actually come up with a few ideas to help give myself a better chance of being successful. As I mentioned, one of the things is with my thumbnails. I want to improve my thumbnails. I'm going to remaster or re-edit a few videos because I think that a video that could have done well, I didn't edit it properly, and a lot of people left within the first 30 seconds. If you can get people to hang on past the 30 seconds, if you can get 65% of the people to hang on past 30 seconds, those videos are going to do very well. The video that did very poorly, a lot of people left, like 75% of the people left within the first 30 seconds. So some of what people are telling you is true. A lot of what people are telling you is old, outdated information. The outdated information, the first 24 hours are critical. I don't think that's the case anymore. You want to make sure that your thumbnails are just like the thumbnails that are already in the space. People that tell you that your face has to be on the thumbnail, that's old, outdated information. Make sure your thumbnail is in line or similar to what's already working in the space. Take some time to look and see what's already working. But you want to make sure that you keep uploading. It's going to be frustrating in the very beginning. I also recommend that you upload a YouTube short every single day, and don't look at the dislikes. There are going to be people that just dislike stuff because they're jealous or frustrated or angry, or they just don't want to see your content. That's fine. Keep uploading. That's going to be my best advice to you, is to upload through it. You're going to have days where you feel like nothing's working. That's going to be the day where you want to make sure that you upload something to keep the momentum, keep the encouragement, keep focus, and you're going to be on the road to success. Some other challenges that I'm running into, I still don't have any email subscribers, but that's fine. I can make a stronger or better call to action. I should add a call to action to the front and end of all of my videos with something that they're going to be interested in. And you also have to understand what your target audience wants and needs are. You might be thinking that your target audience is interested in one thing, and I'm trying to be as vague as possible so that I don't give away my niche or my channel, but their interest in your content might be something completely different. For example, you might be thinking you are providing educational content, where in reality, you are providing entertainment content. And if that's the case, your thought process on the back end has to be different, and it has to change. The way that you plan on monetizing will be different and will have to change. So make sure that you are continuously learning and thinking about your channel, your objectives, and what your target audience is getting out of it. Right now, I believe that I'm providing educational content, but I might be, in fact, providing entertainment and entertainment content. And so my monetization strategy is going to have to change, because affiliate marketing might be different based on what my end user wants and needs. And that's true for any YouTube channel. You have to understand what your target audience wants and needs are. Another thing that's important, and this ties into what I've been talking about before, is actually with your thumbnail. You want to make sure that your CTR or click-through rate is at least 6. when I see that my click-through rate is at 9 or 10, that is where I get a bunch of views. So that means 10 out of every 100 people have seen my thumbnail and have elected to click. Click-through rate of 10 or better is virality. You want to shoot for 5 to 10. That seems to be pretty good results. Now, again, if you want to join the paid Discord, click the second link in the description. I won't be as vague. You'll see the channel. You'll see the channel name. You'll see how I'm planning to monetize it. You'll actually get weekly updates and you'll get more behind the scenes information. I engage in there. I answer questions about different topics. That's probably one of the best places to learn about YouTube, through that paid Discord. And again, you're actually going to have an option to earn or win your money back with a raffle at the end of the 52 weeks. Watch this video next because YouTube tells you that it's important for your online business.